And tired of uno baby mothers will come out and want to tarnish a man's life because they move on. Ivany, me come to talk to you because I realize that nobody not talk to you. And everybody where I talk to you, them scared to talk to you. Well, my mouth big. So me, I go talk to you from a father perspective. You see that's something where you go on with, where you try to tarnish your baby father name. Listen to me, girl. Stop it. This thing will come back and haunt your rascal because you have a thing say you're high and mighty and can't come down here. So let me tell you something, you have a wrong perspective of life. The man send you some nude pictures and videos. You take it upon yourself because the man move on with somebody else because him don't want your type of toxic life, which you don't intend to take a goddamn shovel and shovel it raw and bury it. Because your back is so high and mighty, you think so you're the donkey will carry Jesus across the country. Eh? Everybody will call the cops on you for your well-being. I agree with them 100%. And you need to understand this. This is a fucking America, girl. You are sending man nude picture them to him boss. To him boss. How you come across the man boss phone number? Eh? You do everything in your power to try to tarnish this man. Let me tell you something, Ivany. You're not doing this to tarnish him alone. You're tarnish the little child where you're carrying on your belly. And you better be careful because this ras will come back and haunt the fuck out of you. A whole heap of time, Mr. Uno baby mothers come out, you know. Because the man move on, Uno come out and Uno try everything in our power to class them, to tarnish them, call them all type of mother of evil name. Because them decide that them don't want to know no more. Not because you're carrying a child for your man, that doesn't mean that the man is supposed to be with you forever. You understand? Change up your folly ground, little girl. Stop it. Don't join this waste girl clique. This non-skull waste baby mother clique. You understand what I mean? If the man want to play a part in his child life, for help to take care of his goddamn child, allow him and stop trying to tarnish him. Allow him to work and have a stable income. All of the people who are jump with you and say, oh, yes, Ivany, do it, Ivany. When your Ras gone to jail, when your Ras start getting sued, when all of this come back and bite your Ras, and them same one go sit down and say, watch out, the little waste girl, you know, no sense, you know. You're a big woman now, Ivany. Big fucking woman now, you becomes a mother. You understand? Pushing out a child does not make you a fucking mother. You don't need to understand this. A lot of you out here say deadbeat mother, you know. No, because you don't have the pit name in our custody, you know. You know a deadbeat fucking mother just like them fathers here, you know. Let me tell you, because this is not the way of raise a child. This is not the environment to bring a child in. You understand? And you need to buckle your ass up and stop this stupidity. You call the cops on the man. You give the man one cheer. You call the police on the man and report it as the man thief the chair. How dare you, Ivany? And the whole of you fucking idiot. We come out there to work on the 9 to 5. And Ivany sit down up there so I tarnish one man name and the whole of you come give. Oh, me I go send one lion. Oh, me I go send one universe. You want some bumbo cloth universe box and lion box. Me I tell you no. Me sick of you dirty Jamaican. We are endorse them fuckery. You understand what I mean? Me as a father, me hurt. Me hurt. You understand? Because a whole heap of we out there as a good father and we have to fierce them like a fuckery. Because of someone workless mama. You understand what I mean? Someone with dirty careless life mama. When we decide that we don't want to accept them dirty life anymore and we want to move on and them fuckery you wanna go on with. And not for woman where come out and come talk about woman power. You know no fucking power no woman. Because if you know their power them, you know encourage Ivany to get up and start a motherfucking business, to get her life straight. You understand? You seek asylum in one country. You don't get your documents, mate. You seek asylum. And this is the behavior. This is the behavior. My girl, you write it in your head. You forgot so them try to kill you at Jamaica before, my girl. Eh? You run for your better life. Remember, so that's why you run left Jamaica, you know, my girl. Because them after your life. You understand? And you run come here so for your better life. Why you not fucking change? Get a grip on yourself. Nobody no want come out and tell you, but me tell you something, I will tell you. Me no like it, me sick and tired of one Jamaican. You understand? Them dirty lifestyle you want to have. And no for one Jamaican woman will come out on the app, you come class up, man. You no need to stop it. You no need to stop it. Stop the workless and dirty ghetto girl life. You understand what I mean? You know say you not go for better and wow, no life I get worse. Worse. Where the change is there? Where is the changes? You destiny go over there so. What much in time Ivany class and you class Ivany? Eh? You don't want no better for Ivany neither, you know. You don't want no better for Ivany. Cause you destiny should not tell Ivany, so listen to me, girl. Get your life together. Get your goddamn life together. And everything you need to put on fucking internet. Something need to be private. You're having a child. You over there so cut up your wrist and them something there. You need to stop it. You can go to jail. You understand what I mean? Attempted fucking murder that. Even do it to yourself. So that's putting the child life at risk. You understand what I mean? Pushing out a child does not make you a mother. You have to change up your folly ground, my girl. Change it up. All who know a Jamaican mama. Me not call you no mother, you know. Cause all who know like a pig, you know. You understand? All who know go over there, go give her. I want to have no pick them, not behave them way, you know. You not behave them way, you know. I want to talk about woman power, you know. What kind of fucking woman power? Eh? What kind of woman power? Me sick and tired of seeing our black queens them behave like some goddamn pig we never get food for the first time in them life. And when them see the whole of them, me sick and tired of who know. Me wish Father God would make one big blood clot vacuum and suck on in it and make it just disappear off of the face of the fucking earth. Because Uno is a disgrace to Uno culture. Uno is a disgrace to the black race. You understand what I mean? Me sick, me tired of it. Oh, you think so because you're there in America, you can get some little food stamp and that is alright, my girl? There's more to it. There's fucking more to it. You hear me I tell you? I hope you pay heed and listen what the police officer asks you. Where is the child? Where is the fucking child? You know why I'm asking that? Because if that child is in the house, me guarantee you. So you're getting multiple visits. And you know, mind sharp, you're going to lose a child. Remember this, anything with up on the goddamn internet. Stay on the internet, you could have erased it off of your profile. It always going to on the internet. And all of them something you're going to come back and use against you. You hear me, I want you, Ivany? Ivany, you hear me, I warn you, little girl. Little girl, you hear me, I warn you. Nobody no want warn you, know. You hear me, I warn you. Don't wait till the officer sit down and say, if me didn't know. Shut your fucking mouth and listen. Open up your big ears them and listen. You hear me, I tell you? Me I talk to you for the better of the child, you know. Me is a father, and I'm not like so, no abuse pitney, you know. Because you might sit down and think, say, yo, this not abuse the fucking child. This is. This is. You understand what I mean? Stop it, man. How the fuck a man for send you private videos? And you gone, yes, sir. Gonna release them to everybody else. Some of you girl enough for see cocky, you know. Some of you girl enough for see cocky. You for hear about cocky and wonder what it look like. You understand? And some robot for your fuck, you know. Me I tell you the honest truth. No for you no for breed. You no for see pitney and wonder what it feel like to be a mother. You no deserve it. And if you continue that way, you Ivany, anybody we call the police for you, me stand with you no 100%. And when the baby born and if she continue, call the police for a rascal. Call child care for a rascal. Me them come take what the pity from her. I stand with her for that. Because she need to change up her folly ground. She'll become a mother now. She's a young fucking woman, a grown now. Start up some goddamn business, man. You make money on the fucking internet. What I'm to you? We are still gonna be waste girl about. Eh? That's you left Jamaica for?